Hi everyone. So in Vietnam, we are just about few days to go into a long holidays in order to celebrate the new year 2024. And before we are going to do that, I'm going to give you a good 2023 throwback through the numbers like the GDP, the statistics about the export and import of Vietnam that going to give us a lot of hints and trends in the upcoming economy in 2024.
In 2023, gross domestic product GDP growth was 5.1%, decreasing by 3% year-on-year. CPI of 3.3% was lower than the target of 4.5%. Retail sales of goods and services recovered with an estimated revenue of $259 billion, increasing by 7% year-on-year. Exports remained solid, with a $28 billion trade surplus, the highest in 5 years, increasing by 133% year-on-year. Total registered FDI of $37 billion increased by 32% year-on-year, and dispersed FDI increased by 4% year-on-year to $23 billion, the highest in 5 years. Tourism recovered with 12.6 million international arrivals since January, increasing by 240% year-on-year, far exceeding the target of 8 million visitors.
Well, usually when I analyze the data in order to give the predictions about the whole new year, I'm going to base on the 4 cornerstones, which will tell us a lot of things about our economy.
Industrial land sector thrives as tenants continue expanding operations in Vietnam. The North sustains stronger rental growth due to healthy absorption and openings of projects in good locations with more Chinese manufacturers, and the South stabilizes at higher asking rents driven by new high-standard projects with more US and European tenants in 2023. Many key infrastructure developments like Hanoi Ring Road 4 and Long Than International Airport boosting the industrial market. Giving such boosting, industrial land rental rates are forecasted to continue to rise, albeit at a moderate pace, as supply growth tends to slow down, but competition remains strong. For office segment, in 2023, grade A supply grows in both Hanoi and Saigon. Main leasing purpose for both is finance, banking, insurance, logistic, life science, healthcare, and pharma. In Saigon, the current CBD office supply is limited, saved by the Du Thiem office hub across the river with lower average asking rent and 100% green certificated option. For retail segment, Hanoi welcomes one large-scale shopping mall, Lot T Mall Westlakes. Retail market performance is resilient despite dropping consumer confidence. Rising inflation has pressured retail sales growth in some markets, including Europe, Australia, and mainland China. Vietnam's retail sales growth has generally been positive compared to other markets. Retail sale growth in Vietnam was 9.6% in quarter for 2023, lower than 17% growth in quarter for 2022. For residential segment, there are limited new launch projects in both Hanoi and Saigon in 2023, not to mention many changes in interest rate reduced and amended housing law on real estate business. This makes both Hanoi and Saigon performance trend becomes lowest in 10 years in new supply and slow licensing progress. As that being said, primary prices remained at a high level as the share of high-end new supply increasing and limited supply. Secondary prices in Hanoi continues upward trend while Saigon levels off. This time also attracts increasing development activities from foreign developers. In 2024, residential market in Hanoi will witness robust development activities with strong absorption as more affordable selling price, while Saigon will slowly recover towards the latter half of 2024. 2024 will surely another good year for real estate development in Vietnam. Are you ready to jump in? Thank you a lot for your time. I just want to let you know you can belong to the 24% group of people who watch the clips and support us by hitting the subscribe, like, or comment. That helps us boost confidence and motivate us for better clips week by week. Our team can become better off today because of you. Thanks again and see you next week.